Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here on a beautiful afternoon in Austin, Texas. I've got a very special house for you guys. We're right outside of Palmer Lane, Anderson Mill. We're right in that Northwood subdivision, in that Preston Oaks subdivision. Guys, I've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house for you guys today. We are at 13010 Council Bluff. Take a look at this house, man. Look at the neighborhood. Gorgeous neighborhood. We've got some limestone finish on the exterior. Some really mature trees. Beautiful lawn. I mean, you're just not going to get these type of lot sizes, this type of setback with some of the newer homes. I'm going to show you what's inside. Really special house. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1981 year built. We've currently got this one on market for sale, ready for move-in. And look at that living area. Gorgeous, spacious living area. You've got a centerpiece fireplace, fully functional centerpiece fireplace. You've got an awesome wood beam running across, indicative of that era, 1981 year build. You've got a formal dining room here. Guys, this house is gorgeous as is. It's got so much potential. If you were looking to just do a little bit of upgrades to it. Some new flooring perhaps, and the dining area bleeds right into the kitchen. Gas stove, guys. A lot of these new subdivisions are doing all electric. You've got to go back with the traditional gas stove. Look at all that countertop space. Beautiful countertops throughout. You've got underlighting mounted. We've got this one on market for sale, ready for move-in, and it just another entryway. Come right back into that living area. That's a fully functional house. I mean, you can entertain, you can have family, kids, guests. Let me show you. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1672 square feet. And this house is getting ready to go. Let us know if you want to see this house. We can set up an appointment for you, your friends, your family. Get you guys out here. This is the primary bath, main bath for the house. And then look at this spacious master bedroom, guys. Everything's already included. You've got the 2-inch full-width blinds. You've got double pane windows. And another spacious master bath, master closet. Okay, ready to go as is. I'm saving the best for last. You've got to check out the backyard. You've got no back-end neighbors. You've got a huge lot size. Again, you're not going to get this with your cookie cutter homes that they're selling nowadays. And no back neighbors. Look at that. Imagine having your cup of coffee out here, huh? Imagine having your kids out here just playing around. Very serene. Kind of brings you back to nature. And that goes on forever. I mean, there's just no development out there now or that we know of in the near future. Fully functional patio from end to end of the house. Great for those hot summer afternoons, so you're not having to bake in the sun. So guys, call me if you want to see this house. 1301 Council Bluff, right outside of Palmer Mopac, right before Anderson Mill. This house is available for sale. We want to sell it to you. I want to be your real estate agent. Andy Patlan, 15 years in the business. Call me 512-784-0048. Hablamos español.